for your home, it's important to consider both functionality and aesthetics. Awning windows, a popular choice for homeowners in Glendale, provide a unique combination of design and practicality. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward, allowing fresh air to flow in while keeping rain and debris out. Whether you're upgrading your existing windows or building a new home, awning windows offer a variety of benefits that can enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of awning windows and why they are an excellent option for Glendale homeowners. Excellent ventilation with weather protection. One of the standout features of awning windows is their ability to provide fresh air while protecting your home from the elements. Unlike traditional windows that open horizontally, awning windows open outward from the top. This unique design allows for ventilation even when it's raining, as the window acts as a shield, preventing water from entering your home. This makes awning windows an ideal choice for areas like bathrooms, kitchens, or basements, where you may want to allow airflow without worrying about rain. In Glendale, where the weather can vary, having windows that can provide consistent airflow while also keeping out moisture is a valuable benefit. This feature allows you to enjoy fresh air and reduce indoor humidity levels, which can contribute to a healthier and more comfortable living environment. Enhanced privacy and security. Awning windows offer a high level of privacy, which is especially beneficial for homes in more densely populated areas or for those located close to neighbors. Since these windows open outward from the top, they create a smaller opening at the bottom, making it difficult for passers-by to peer inside. This is especially important for ground floor windows, which can be more susceptible to prying eyes. Additionally, the design of awning windows enhances security. Since the windows open outward, it's much harder for someone to force them open from the outside, especially if they are properly locked. This added layer of security makes awning windows an excellent choice for homeowners in Glendale who want to protect their home and belongings. Energy efficiency and insulation. Awning windows can also help improve your home's energy efficiency. Many modern awning windows are designed with energy-efficient features, such as double-glazed glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features help to reduce heat loss in the winter and keep your home cool during the summer, ultimately lowering your energy bills. In Glendale, where the climate can vary significantly from season to season, energy-efficient windows are essential for maintaining a comfortable home. By choosing awning windows with energy-saving features, you can ensure that your home stays at the right temperature throughout the year, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems and helping you save on energy costs. Versatile and aesthetic appeal. Awning windows offer a sleek and modern aesthetic that can complement a wide variety of home styles. Their clean lines and unique design make them an attractive option for both traditional and contemporary homes. Whether you're looking to update your home's exterior or add a stylish feature to a specific room, awning windows provide an elegant and functional solution. These windows are available in a wide range of sizes and materials, allowing you to customize them to fit the design of your home. Whether you prefer the natural look of wood, the low-maintenance qualities of vinyl, or the durability of fiberglass, you can find awning windows that match your aesthetic preferences and enhance the overall appearance of your home. Easy operation and low maintenance. One of the practical advantages of awning windows is their ease of use. These windows are operated with a simple crank, making them easy to open and close, even for individuals with limited mobility. The crank mechanism also ensures that the window stays securely open at the desired angle, allowing for controlled ventilation. In addition to being easy to operate, awning windows are relatively low maintenance compared to other types of windows. Since they open outward and are usually sealed tightly when closed, there are fewer opportunities for dirt and debris to accumulate. This makes them easy to clean, as the window doesn't require frequent wiping of the tracks or sashes. Homeowners in Glendale who are looking for windows that provide both functionality and low maintenance care will appreciate the simplicity of awning windows. Increased natural light. Awning windows are often used in areas where space is limited, such as basements, kitchens, or bathrooms, but they also provide excellent visibility and access to natural light. The large glass area in awning windows allows plenty of sunlight to flood into your home, brightening up your living space and creating a more open and inviting atmosphere. Additionally, because awning windows are typically positioned higher on the wall and open outward, they offer unobstructed views of the outdoors. This makes them a great choice for homes in Glendale that are surrounded by natural beauty or scenic landscapes, allowing you to enjoy views while maintaining privacy. Durability and long-lasting performance. When properly installed, awning windows are durable and designed to withstand the elements. These windows are often made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are resistant to rot, corrosion, and weather damage. This makes them a long-lasting option for homeowners who want windows that will perform well for many years without the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Given Glendale's climate, which can be hot and dry in the summer, durability is a key factor when choosing windows. Awning windows are built to endure, ensuring that they continue to provide reliable performance and protection for your home over time. Conclusion. Awning windows are a versatile and practical choice for Glendale homeowners looking to improve their home's functionality, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. With benefits such as excellent ventilation with weather protection, enhanced privacy, increased energy efficiency, and ease of operation, awning windows provide a great value for any home. Whether you're updating your home's exterior, creating a more comfortable living space, or improving security and privacy, awning windows offer a stylish and practical solution. With their long-lasting performance and low-maintenance care, awning windows are an investment that will enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal